Hey guys, so this is the DeLonghi Eletta machine, cappuccino top that we have here at the clinic, and it's a very good machine. Just to compare with other espresso or coffee machines, I'll show you later another one that I have in the room. This one, of course, it's for the home only, but it makes a really good cup. Like it's not your just basic one cup coffee machine or an espresso machine that you have. So you can choose between different mixes you want, different blends. You can choose the intensity of your coffee, how much beans it'll grind. So standard, strong, extra strong. Then choose the cup size. If you want short, long, extra long, or there's also a my coffee option and the number of cups you want. Oh shit, whoops, press that again to cancel. Sorry. And then yeah, just press how many cups and it'll make your cup of coffee. And the beans for this one you put here for whole beans, and you put the ground beans here in this little slot for ground and whole beans, and you can choose the grind of how thick or coarse you want the beans to be ground up when the machine gets or prepares your coffee. And to load with water, just put it here to get the tray out, to get the grounds, pull that out, the grounds are there. And this is your frother for your milk. So, yep, nice espresso maker for the house. So as you can see, that makes a really nice cup of coffee from DeLonghi Eletta. Hey guys, so this is the DeLonghi Dinamica coffee machine, espresso machine. It's a newer model, so you load the beans here, and if you have grounds, load it here. So I like it because it's a lot cleaner than the older machines that they have. So for home, it's a very sleek, clean looking machine. You load the water here as like any other DeLonghi machine. So just pull that out. That's for water. And then you pull this out to get all those grounds out. Just get the cup, dump it out. In, make sure it clicks and there's a beep. So select your beverage. So we'll go for stop. Wrong. So it has a preset actually. And then so you press this bean button to select the intensity that you want. So let's say I want it kind of strong, not the strongest, but pretty strong. And you select your cup, 1 cup. This is espresso, long, extra long coffee. So I'll select this. And just let do the work. Voila. A beautiful cup of Java.